Welcome along guys, Inverted Rider. Something a little bit different for you today. We've got a H2 SX in a little bit of a poorly state. It's got 10 miles on the clock, and as you can see it's currently very sorry for itself. We're going to do a bit of a project with it, a build series with it, so you'll get to see all of the progress along the way. I'll give you a walk around the bike, I'll show you all the damage. So there's a little look at some of the damaged fairing off the bike. Right, front end, see headlights there, it's in good nick, not been affected, not done any damage to the fork legs, discs, calipers, front wheel, it's all intact, but all the lower fairing, all the side of the fairing, all down this side of the bike. Handlebar there, it's actually snapped, all of the switch gear, so the bike didn't run, all the switch gears busted, all the left hand side, look, it's all absolutely fine. So very fortunate, just stayed on one side of the bike, didn't flip over, no damage to this tank at all, really lucky. Casings, you can see there's actually 9 marks to the casing, which is very surprising considering really. Radiator's fine, exhaust, all really good. So you can see the foot peg there, snap that clean off, exhaust, rear peg, and then the actual subframe for the rear is good, it's unscathed. You've only got the luggage mount grab rail on the top there, has been scuffed. You've got, see, exhaust there, it's been snapped off, so new hanger. See some scuff marks on the tyre there. It's looking likely that's where the incident occurred. See, left hand side of the bike. Just show you this dash just to prove 10 miles on the clock. you go, top right hand corner, 10 miles. So believe it or not, this does actually start, so let's give it a whirl. So we'll have a little look at some of the parts that we've got already. So we've got the peg there, rear master cylinder, complete unit. There'll be a new heel plate going on there, it's just the one that's come with it. Brake lever, got the coolant bottle as well, all the necessary hoses, grab rail, new front master cylinder, lever, reservoir, all the connections, handlebar, new starter switch, clocks around, and a fairing piece, and a new screen. This is just some of the parts ready for the bike. There's still lots of clips, nuts, bolts, etc. to buy, and plenty of aftermarket parts to come as well. Just want to say a massive thanks to KD Motorcycles in Accrington, especially Andrew for sorting this out, making the delivery. Great dealership, go and check them out guys. There you have it guys, Kawasaki Ninja H2 SX project. So this will be a full build series, you get to see every step of the way, full rebuild of the bike. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video today, don't forget to click like and hit subscribe, and any comments down below.